Did you know we have a unique opportunity to change the future of education? Before COVID-19, the world was facing a learning crisis. The pandemic made it worse. But it also showed us we can do things differently. Working together, we can innovate fast and at scale. In 2021, UNICEF helped 48.6 million children get back to school. We have an opportunity to build on this momentum, but we must act now. With urgent investment, a new kind of education is within our reach, one that is adaptable, flexible, and relevant to the needs of all children, including the most vulnerable and marginalised, leaving no one behind. To get there, we've identified the biggest challenges in education, and we've come up with a strategy to address them. Working with policymakers, teachers, parents, and others, we're working to ensure that children can access early childhood education, that those in primary school achieve foundational literacy and numeracy to keep their education on track, and that adolescents have the skills they need to do well at school, at work, and in their communities. Addressing the various barriers children face, we're helping to ensure every girl receives a quality education, that classrooms include children with disabilities, and that children in emergencies can access education. By continuing to reimagine education, we're bridging the digital divide, while also improving health and nutrition services in schools to ensure children have all the support they need. And by improving the generation and use of learning data and evidence, we're making sure education systems really are meeting the learning needs of every child. With over 1,000 education programme staff in 152 countries, UNICEF has the size, reach, and expertise needed to help every child learn. By working with governments and institutions, we can influence change for children from the highest levels right down to local schools. But it's only through strong partnerships that our work for children is possible. With enough ambitious donors and partners alongside us, we can create a world in which every child learns. Our partners can invest in Core Resources for Results, our most flexible funds, which enable us to respond fast to the most pressing needs of children. Education thematic funds, which target funding to specific education results, or specific programmes for children. Working together, let's take the opportunity to transform education, lives, and communities, and build a better world for every child.